In this video, you'll be learning a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L3215 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome browser. The moment you have bring it up, navigate here at the search bar and type for Epson L3215 spacebar and then hit the enter key, and that way you would be navigated to the list of results. So please proceed to the first result, click on it. And in a few moments, you would be navigated to the page where you can specifically see or view the printer driver. Now from here, please click on this downloads being placed at the sides to refresh the page, and kindly wait until you can get a drop down menu where you can select a operating system manually. So it is detecting for Windows 10 64-bit and not detecting for Windows 11, since this printer is not detecting for Windows 11. But don't worry, because the Windows 10, the Windows 10 64-bit will work for 111 Windows 11. So no worries for that. Okay, so since this printer is not available for Windows 11. So by that, please navigate here at the drivers and you will be able to see a scanner driver and a printer driver. So if you would like to install the scanner driver, then download it and install it in the PC by double tapping. Or since the target of this video is to download the printer driver, then click on download. And it will lead you to open a new tab where it asks you to agree on the license agreement. Okay. All you need to do is you need to click on accept, and in that way you can now start the downloading. So please proceed to the top right corner where here you can see a download icon being placed. Please proceed to this downloaded file. Click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Now from here, you need to proceed to this downloaded file and make a right click. Okay, and click on this cat icon. Once done, close the window as well as this one, and from here make a right click. Okay, and click on paste. So once you have successfully moved the application here at the desktop, you need to double tap to unzip or extract the file. Okay, or you can simply make a right click here by selecting this one, and then please proceed to the WinRAR tool to and use that to extract this application or file. Okay, so please select for extract to L3210, and please wait until you can get to see a extracted file here at the desktop. Okay, so once done, set this aside first. And once a new file folder has been placed, then navigate directly to the start icon here, make a right click, and then you need to scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. So please wait until everything are set there, until we can see a list of the option before we proceed. Now once done, please navigate to the left side of that where you can see a list of the option, and please locate with this option called Bluetooth and devices. So just click on the Bluetooth and devices, and from here please choose for the printers and scanners. And here at the printers and scanner settings, you'll get to see this kind of option. Click on it. And the moment you've clicked on it, it will be refreshed here. Kindly wait until you can get a manual option where you can manually add a printer driver. Click on it again. And from here, you need to proceed to this window and go with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. And then click on next. From here, go with have disk and click on browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, so we just have to click on the desktop, click on this one, and scroll down on the list and proceed to the extracted file, double tap, and double tap once again, and double tap. So here it can show you three drivers. Select any of this, click on open and click on OK. And eventually our printer driver would be placed here. Click on next and rename that into L3215 and then click on next and it will now start on the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next and click on finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L3215 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.